have some chicken chunks.
We love a good chicken chunk.
We love some buttermilk ranch.
And some sweet baby and some Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce.
Where's the music?
I got two. You ever think like I should have my own TV show?
Yes. No, but actually my family was supposed to be on a TV show, like a reality TV show.
No.
I'm not kidding. No, these random people contact my mom. They're like, hey, we're starting this show. We're like, we focus it on big, busy family. So basically we're going to send you away for a week. And then we're gonna film your family and how insane they go while you're gone. So
your mother?
Yes, but they decided to choose some family in the Midwest instead of us for the pilot. So that's cool. We Skyped with the lady. We had an interview. Like we met her. It was really cool. Her internet sucked though. So.
Is the chicken nice and fresh?
I can't believe you don't eat it with ranch.
I like barbecue. Ranch kind of makes me like gag a little bit. We're making a mukbang video.
Mukbang. Mukbang.
A mukbang. Try and guess the name of my car.
What's it start with?
H. You're never gonna guess it. It's a girl.
Hishquika.
Hishquika? I love Hishquika. That's my favorite name.
Hanaya.
Hanaya? No.
Hanalei. Hakuna. Hickory. Haley. No, it's too basic. Harley. Hayden. House. Hallie.
It's like an old lady's name.
Heather. Holly. Huckleberry. Clink.
Okay, I'm really offended because we were supposed to clink and he didn't.
I just wanna make sure you're okay. I don't know.
Let me just tell you.
Like, I wanna guess it though. Give me another hint.
Ends with an A.
Hannah? What the frick? What is this?
Look, you're never gonna guess it.
Harla.
Harla? What's your name? My name's Harla.
I really think it's Hakuna.
Can I just tell you?
Yeah.
Henrietta.
That is not a name. That is not a name. That is not a name. That's fake. You're a cheater. You're a cheater.
It's a name.
No, it's not. Who? I've never heard that in my life. That's not even funny. I feel cheated. I feel cheated. I feel used. I feel abused. Henrietta? You're kidding.
We got a shit ton of chicken strips, just so you guys know. Like, we barely dented this bitch. In case you didn't know, in case we didn't mention it. We're sitting in the Albertsons parking lot, eating Albertsons chicken strips and Albertsons potato wedges.
Better to cut that out.
Like, my mom's gonna watch this.
My grandma's gonna see this.
Can you imagine like going to like Blaze and they're like, okay, like what's the name for the order?
Chalina.
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 How do you spell that? Chalina.
It's X.
There's a silent W in there. Yeah, you don't pronounce it.
Wait, what was the one you said the other day?
7. Put a 7 in the middle of your name.
No.
Oh, what?
When you went to Blaze, you said like this weird name.
Oh, Zeke. But then she goes, how do you spell that? And I go, Z-E-K-E. And she's like, and I was like, I mean K-E.
This is the last one. Let's do a haul. Here we go. Nice, great quality. Nice and crispy. Nice and fresh. Still a little warm. Good to the tongue.
Chickens are gonna get a little crazy.
What are you doing? Whoa, no way.
Don't break your back for me.
watered down chicken. Musically queen. Love it. You know, this is so awesome. That we're like such good friends. Because I remember when you messaged me on Instagram. And you're like, hey, I just am contacting all the new people who are coming to leadership. I just really want to like get to know you. And I was like, okay, cool. What did we start talking about?
I don't even know.
It was like music or something.
Probably.
Cliche like that. A lot of my friendships just started over music, so.
Probably. Are you doing leadership next year?
No. I don't room for that.
I want to go get a Starbucks.
I left my freaking gift card at home. I had a gift card. I left my gift card.
I have $3 on this card.
That's really gonna help us.
Wait, it just told me now I have 10 cents on it. At first it said $3.10, and now it just says 10.
Starbay. Is the lighting good?
Star bitch ass motherfucker. You want a Starbies?
I don't know.
Are you sure?
Yes. We can go and get you something.
Oh, obviously. I don't know who you think you are. I'm feeling like a tropical something. Like something that's gonna like really quench me.
We love a ghetto hoe.
We love an ugly bitch.
We do love me. We do.
If I smile, got no trouble when I fall alone. Bitch, I am stormy, I do what I want. Didn't know it was a girl when she gave me top. Kicked it out the road, said thanks a lot.
Karen Jones. Everyone's like talking to her now. I do it too. Like, I'm just like, what did you say to me? You trying to pull up?
My favorite thing is go.
Throw hands, bitch. Look how cute he looks. Look at him. Sexy. Have you heard this song?
I love it. Ooh, I.
Yes.
It's called Sad. Exclamation point.
Yes.
Sad.
Oh yeah, I'm
So
sad.
here's something really gross.
Huh.
So today in anatomy, we were like dissecting our cat, and Angelina. I was helping Angelina with her cat, and she like takes the cat out of the bag. And like, so like at this point in the dissections, like all of the like skin is like skinned off and like cut up and stuff.
Yeah.
And so a giant flap of skin flops out, and a giant drop of like the cat juice like flies onto my thigh, and I go, and I almost threw up, and I screamed at Angelina. And then even grosser. So we need like a little, like every person needs like a little like indicator in each bag, like so they can like figure out like whose cat is whose. Yeah. And so for the past couple of years, there's been this little baby squishy like rubber fetus that has been passed down to like haunt Mr. Ewing. And so now it's like a tradition, like the like iconic like rubber fetus. And so we just like keep it in the bag with the cat. Sometimes we like put it in the like skin flaps. It's gross. Anyway, today Brooke like she went to like throw it at Angelina, and it hit Angelina's hand and bounced off of her hand and hit me in the forehead. And it's like juicy, like has all the cat juices on it.
Ew.
So nasty. I almost threw up, and I like screamed. It hit my forehead, and I was like, ah! And Mr. Ewing was like, "What, Griffin?" Because I've screamed a lot during this whole like lab because of like how gross everything is.
Yeah,
and so
relatable.
he was like, he was like already used to it. He was like, "What is it this time, Griffin?" And I was like, "They hit me in the forehead with the fetus." And he goes, "Oh yeah, no, that's pretty gross." I was like, "Yeah, thanks." He goes, "I'd be pretty upset if I were you too." I was like, "Yeah, I'm really fucking
I am
pissed."
upset. Thank you.
I made some like rando ass concoction online with like a Starbucks order, and like it sounded good when I was making it. Like I basically just like picked a drink and then started like customizing it like with things that I thought sounded good, like raspberry syrup and like strawberry juice and like just like literally everything. So let's see how it turns out. I'm gonna run in to get my drink.
I'll just stay by myself and talk shit about you.
Conversation that I know to me.
Quick talk. I would marry him, and someone told us that we would have really cute babies. There's also a guy looking at me from the Verizon store, so that's a little rude. He didn't even take his phone. What if he gets kidnapped? The Verizon guy's still looking at me. Okay, we're gonna find Ellie. Shore boy. I did a dance comp with this song down in LA. Oh, it was crazy. Griffin, where are you? There he is.
How bad and bougie am I?
Did you see that? It smells like
that's the guy. I honestly, if you were to ask me like what this is right now, like I wouldn't be able to tell you because I literally just went online.
Is it good?
I haven't tried it yet. I went online
This
and
is
like
the true test.
picked like all the things I thought sounded good. I feel like I should stir it, right?
Yeah. Oh,
It's
beautiful. She's really pretty. What was it originally? Like, what was the
It was called
drink?
like the pink drink. Let me see, I can show
Oh,
you.
the pink drink?
I guess. but
Pinkity
I
drinkity.
changed-
Is she good? Good? Really good? Okay, let me try it.
Oh my god.
Ombre pink drink? We should have taken a picture because she was
With
really
strawberry puree in it. And something else.
Oh, this is
I also
cool.
put strawberry juice in it,
This is cool.
I think.